A married teacher who developed a sexual obsession with his 16-year-old student bombarded him with 250,000 messages on Snapchat over a 7-month period, a court has heard. The teacher, based in the west of Ireland, is aged in his late 40s and was married with children when he targeted the teenager. A sentencing hearing at a Western Circuit Criminal Court heard the harassment of the teenager escalated to the point the boy made several attempts to take his own life. The teacher pleaded guilty to harassing the boy over a 7-month period from October 1st, 2020 to April 30th, 2021. Detective Greg Gander of the Protective Services Unit in the Northwestern Division told the court the harassment involved the teacher messaging the boy via Snapchat from early morning until late at night. The messaging increased in volume over time and led to mounting pressure on the teenager, who suffered devastating mental health consequences. Detective Gander arrested the teacher in June 2021 and interviewed him 3 times under caution, but he refused to answer any questions. In a harrowing victim impact statement, the young man, who is now aged 21, told the court the devastating impact the harassment had on him and his family. He told Judge O'Callaghan he grew up in a very loving and happy family, and he was a quiet and gentle child in nature. The young man said the grooming began in subtle ways and escalated to relentless sexually obsessive harassment. Thanking his parents for their unconditional love and support, the young man also thanked detectives Greg Gander and Pádraig Healy of the Protective Services Unit and the 2 local Gardaí who realised something was seriously wrong and took action. An offer of €10,000 to the young man by his former teacher was rejected. Judge Brian O'Callaghan said he was deeply moved by the young man's victim impact statement, and due to concerns raised, he would delay finalising sentencing until he had the benefit of a probation report which would help establish the risk posed to others by the teacher. For more on this and other stories, you can read the Irish Independent.